Infrastructure, definition, infrastructure in a sentence, infrastructure pronunciation, infrastructure meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of infrastructure. Infrastructure. In-fra-struc-ture. Infrastructure. Infrastructure as a noun means the basic structure of an organization or system which is necessary for its operation, or the basic systems and services such as transportation and power supplies that a country or organization uses in order to work effectively. Common usages in academic writing: the infrastructure bill, an infrastructure project, industrial infrastructure, social infrastructure, basic infrastructure, essential infrastructure. To build infrastructure, to maintain infrastructure, to plan infrastructure. Example sentences. Infrastructure noun. Since the passing of the infrastructure bill, more than 50 bridge renovations have been completed. Example sentence number 2. The power grid failed due to its crumbling infrastructure over the past 10 years. Please write a sentence using infrastructure in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of infrastructure, the meaning of infrastructure, and infrastructure example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.